This question is from Ashwini Kumar Prabhu. He asked, by Swabhava, a person gets angry over injustice, but being a devotee of Krishna, able to control it, but wants to punish him, what should he do in such a situation?
Just pray to Krishna, leave it to Krishna, and depend on Krishna, everything. So that's why that means we need to know that we need to make more devotees. So you cannot go and punish as an individual. It's very difficult. But if the system itself is good, if the administration, if the system, if everything is if they are following Bhagavad Gita, so then it is possible. See, Krishna said that Evam parampara praptam imam rajarishyo vidu. So this Bhagavad Gita knowledge was received through disciplic succession, and the saintly kings understood that way. That's what Raja Rishish. So that means the rulers should be saintly. That's what is very important. That means the ruler should know the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. That's what is very important. Yes. So how you can accomplish that? Spread this message everywhere. So we should not be sitting idle at all. We should make more and more devotees. So then things will change. So then more and more devotees will come. So more and more devotees can become administrators. Like Arjuna, Krishna wanted Arjuna to actually as a Kshatriya to fight, protect the righteousness. So we need to create such a devotee Kshatriyas. That's what is very important. So that if we focus, so then these things can be fixed. So definitely there is a solution for these kinds of injustice, all such things. That solution is only this Bhagavad Gita. Only this Bhagavad Gita is the solution. So that's why we need to spread this message. So time is running out. We need to spread this message. We need to make many, many devotees. So it's really very nice. Our class also strength is slowly increasing. So more than 50 devotees. So definitely we can find even more and more devotees. Definitely this Zoom can, I think right now we have 500 devotees can join. So that kind of plan I have, but I think it allows to join even 10,000 up to that it can go. So where are those devotees? We need to find that. So that kind of service, if we do that, so then if we imagine if we are 10,000 devotees every day joining and studying Bhagavad Gita. So at that time we will be able to fix these things. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Guruji. Yes, this source of Zoom is the most beneficial, so that more and more can listen through the Zoom.
Yes.
And discuss the whole thing. I am spreading it by through Facebook and whatever contacts I have got. I am just regularly after 15 days, 20 days, again I just give the message. So this much I am doing, but I also want to go and visit the temples where I can give that pamphlet.
Yes.
For distribution. So I think I'll contact one of these ISKCON is nearby somewhere, some few kilometers away, yes, and with them we get. I'll try to discuss it out